Here we go. Nose pack luck. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. For fuck's sake. Alright, here we go. Next pack. Do another nose pack. Benyat. Are you kidding me? Got the basic chemistry style as well. Who actually wants that? Come on. Got Benyat as well. He's alright. Saw him in the club. And we'll be done with that pack. We now have our final 100 FIFA point pack. Who are we gonna get? Open it. Come on. 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 Yoshida. Could be nice if I pulled a Yoshida, because everyone wants Yoshida. And then bang. Salvio. Oh, goodness me. Alright, here we go. Gonna open a pack with coins. You get one extra item, so let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, please, give me something good. Please. Younger and Biwa. Oh my goodness me.